There we go. All right. We're audible and visible. Well, I'm visible. You're not.
Okay. Hello. There's Alright. Here's the carriage controller.
Boopity-bop.
I imported the prototype
Are you
like
streaming
animation set that I've been using. But
it? So, you're streaming it?
yeah. Keep run.
Ah! I can't drag Discord over it. Wait, hold on. Can I? There we go. Oh, whoa!
Yeah, this is based off my what do you want to call it? Personal project. Character controller. That was just more up to date.
That's
But he jumped.
It's like the default sprite set.
Yeah.
Swish slash.
Swing, slash, and do combos and do air slash.
So it's a double slash on that, right?
That's a triple one. Oh, double, yeah.
Okay.
But he also does air slash. And because of that, it has the eye action stuff with it.
Okay.
So we can just write whatever script we need for the action and set it.
All right. The eye action is whatever we implement for whatever action something
whatever
needs
action,
to do.
Yeah, and that can be anything from a dash to whatever.
You can apply that to enemies too, right?
No.
Okay.
The eye action is specifically for the player, but it can be mostly because it requires like player components to do a lot of the eye action stuff. Like I can show the basic swipe. Like it requires the animator to change the animation, timers.
Okay.
Timers. So, but there's nothing saying that I can't make an eye action for enemies.
Eye enemy action.
It would just, it would just instead of the player controller be the enemy, whatever the base enemy controller is. Also, with the player controller, it implements a actor class. Which I would assume would be the base for everything. That just includes health, attack, defense, magic, a basic, a force die function.
Yeah.
And then a standard damage function.
Okay.
With a damage calculation. And then a modify attack function. Just to kind of, because it was made for you'd be able to get upgrades for attack, defense, and whatnot. So that's all that. But yeah. So that's the current thing of all this.
Okay.
It looks and then like it just
good and filled out.
Yeah. Then we just have the input manager. What all the input runs through. That just has stick dead zone, which I'm assuming will make an actual setting.
Probably.
But for now, you just set it.
You can just set it.
And then you can disable controls, disable and enable player controls, enable UI controls, disable UI control. That's just a test function, and then get dead zone access. So when you're checking the like the movement thing, it just returns a value if the axis is. Make sense?
So far.
Cool. And
I'll have to read it myself a little bit further, I think, in order to fully understand it.
And then here's our just basic action thing. The action 1, 2, and 3 can be changed, whatever, because those are based off of, like I said, my personal project.
Yeah, but we'll probably have more of those, since we have
actually,
like 5 actions.
Yeah, actually.
Besides
that's a good question.
Base attack, I guess.
Okay, slide doesn't work. I had a slide function, but it looks like the slide's not working. So I'll have to fix that.
Oh, my spine.
I probably messed up whatchamacallit or accidentally commented it out.
Getting a
slide.
sprite sheet that smooth would be nice too.
The what?
I said getting a sprite sheet that smooth would be nice to have.
Yeah.
I don't even know what the character is gonna look like yet. We can make him short and stocky.
I think
that'd be fun.
Yeah. Like I said, I'll probably work on the actual eye generated of scripts. That's all.
Okay.
There we go. I think.
Oh, the slide is.
I think his.
What just
kind
happened?
of. I think his slide is just his slide power is just very poor. No? Well, it'll need to be worked on. Post the slide.
Is that his hitbox?
Yeah, the green box is his hitbox.
Okay.
There's
might need to
a
adjust
comment
that.
the hitbox. Yeah, there's a comment that the box.
Wait, are you doing it while standing still? Sit down.
Well, you kind of have to. Oh, he's supposed to move, but I don't know why it's not.
It looks like he's. Oh, that might be why.
No, that's something to do with animation events. That's like.
Oh.
It's like dust and stuff. That's not what I wanted. That's my game. Yeah, no, that should be. Alright, let's see why it's not. Okay.
Alright, let me go ahead and get started on this tile map stuff.
Okay. If you need help with that, just let me know.
Righto. I do have the Unity documentation pulled up, so hopefully it shouldn't be too. And this is gonna be test stuff anyway, so it's all gonna be. It's just gonna be like white boxed.
Yeah.
I need the package menagerie built in.
It's.
Yes, you. Wait, disable. Oh, it's already in. Oh, okay.
Who's that?
How do I access the time map stuff then? Package manager. Install it. I've already got it though, as far as I know. 2D object. Tile map. Ah. Doom ba doom ba doom boom. Boom ba doom ba boom boom. Whoa, the grid is trippy. Alright, so we got a Tile Mipe. Oh, I should mark the steps as complete. Sign in. Yeah. No, fuck off.
Something's resetting it.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, maybe it's a good idea I didn't actually join their Monster Hunter stuff.
Oh.
They're over here fighting a furious Rojang.
Yeah.
I think I just gained access to base Rojang, so... Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
We know it is hitting bad.
Boom, 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 boom. Cell size. That's not part of it. Maybe that's on grid. That's on grid. Okay.
It's the cell size is 0.01 is 1 pixel.
0.01 is 1 pixel.
Yes.
So I have
so
1,000 pixels inside of each of these then.
It'd be 100, but yeah. Because if you have a grid size that's 16 pixels, I mean, a tile sheet that's 16 pixels, it would be 0.16.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. It would be 100 then, you're right. I don't know why I was thinking in Milla instead of Centa. Cell size of 1. How big is your current test character?
I don't know.
Cool.
But that could everything can be scaled, so it's not.
Yeah, I can once I bring it in from Git, I'll test it against what I have, and then I'll adjust things accordingly, I guess. Oh, okay, not only are they fighting a furious Rojang, they're doing Muscle Monkey Madness. Which is 2 furious Rojang. Wait, hold on, is that furious? Yeah, I think that's furious. Distractions ahoy. Cell size, cell gap, cell layout. Cell swizzle? Oh. I think we're keeping XYZ. I'm gonna leave that default for right now, I guess. We'll set everything as defaults. The way I figure one tile, I guess, should probably be about the width of the player. Maybe bigger, a little bigger.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Animation frame rate of the ground? Well, I guess if I make something that's like grass or whatever.
Oh, that's not being set correctly.
Set not only color but transparency values. Oh, there's alpha on this? Hey, there is alpha on this. Wowie, wow, wow. That's good. I'm whiteboxing this right now. XY, yes. Tile anchor is in the center, which is good. That's what I want. I don't have any tiles, so I need to make a tile. Sorting order I don't need to worry about yet. Although I guess bottom left is technically what I want anyway. It's the render mode of the tiles. Chunk. Guess I'm assuming chunk mode is the base. It's like the most common implementation.
What?
This.
Sorry.
I'm mostly thinking out loud. I'm looking at all the settings for tile maps. I'm assuming chunk based rendering style is sort of default for most games these days.
Yeah.
Manual bound setting, okay. All right. Exploring the tile palette. Windows, tile palette. I don't have that. Okay. Unless it's been moved. Ah, under 2D now. Got it. Create new tile palette. Test tile.
Okay. I guess it's time to start that script then.
That script. That damn
just an extension script.
Hell yeah. Extend that script. Is it an extension for player?
It's an extension for the flags.
Oh. Move selection with active brush. Okay, I see how this works. You know, I wonder if this is going to be easier to do with my tablet. Sorry, controller. You'll have to wait. Bow. Bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, bow, bow. You to define it. Oh, they've got like a selection tool too. A fill tool. That's cool. Allows you to pick tiles from within the scene. Eraser, erases. Yeah, got that. What's up?
I'm more talking to myself.
Okay. Oh, I've got to create the most intricate tile set I've ever seen.
It's just a bunch of white squares.
It's gonna be, it's gonna be a white square, yeah. I've gotta give it a tile to go into the tile palette. Activate active tile map drop down determines which of the tile maps you're painting on. Okay, well I've only got one. It's called tile map. Oh.
No.
Oh no. Now I've got the problem of layers.
In what? Unity or
In Unity.
Yeah. Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, and I mean I've dealt with it in art programs before, but now I have to deal with it in art programs and in Unity.
Oh no, the layers for the tile maps are easy. You see, there should be something called like layer 1 when you create the default like tile map. In the scene.
There's one called tile map.
Yeah, so in your hierarchy, yeah, the tile map. Just duplicate that.
Oh,
You
and
change
that's
the
how
order of
layers
layer
work.
in the tile map render. Yeah.
I was saying that the tile maps themselves, if you have multiple of those, it also works like layers.
Yeah. If you just duplicate the tile map and then change the order in layer to like -1 or positive, have layers.
That makes sense for the same tile map, I guess.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you can even change what actual because you can even change what palette you're using, because you have test tile, you can drop that down. You have multiple tile maps.
Well, there's nothing in here right now. I need to add texture to it first.
No, I know. But I'm saying is you can change multiple tile maps in the same setup.
Ah.
Alright.
How big
Sliding
is
should work. No. Nope, nothing works.
Brachidios. I've been looking at what builds I need for Monster Hunter World for the Charge Blade. And I basically need to farm Raging Brachidios armor. Like the whole set. Minus one piece. So I've got to get a set so that I can go farm Raging Brachidios. So that I could go get my Safi stuff. I've got like 3 different sets I've got to travel through right now before I can get to the final build. Sucks. Apparently there's just a website for Charge Blade information though. It's when did I play Monster Hunter? Saturday, I think I played some.
You know, I hate Unity sometimes.
Oh, what for? What did it do?
Just it wasn't working, and then I went to debug mode, and then it started working after I exited debug mode. Anyways.
Oh, did
So-
it break point?
Yeah, I did a breakpoint, and then it wasn't working before I breakpointed it, and then it started working after I exited the breakpoint because I couldn't find anything. Because everything seemed to be working fine.
Oh.
So the slide works. It's not.
Mark.
Okay, it's not.
Okay, so I need to figure out how to make a tile map then, I guess. Or a tile palette has more than a few features. Oh. It's like palettes.
I actually just. That's not what.
That doesn't track. And the default brush. Da-da-da-da. Talk us the availability. The additional component called Tile Map Collider 2D, which will prevent objects from passing through. That's on the tile map itself. Tile Map Collider. What's the operation?
Okay. I
I don't know what
something
any
up.
of this means. Oh, you pushed?
No. I
You pushed.
the dodging doesn't set.
Dodge.
That
We're
slide I
getting-
was talking about.
Oh, the slide is the dodge.
Yeah. Internally, it's called dodge, but I made it a slide. Okay. Wrong game. Number 1.
Am I capturing anything right now? Yes. Okay, good.
What the fuck, you?
What do heck? Figure 16.
Okay. That's okay. I forgot.
There's no edit button there. This is old picture. Oh, that's not very old. Whoa!
Okay, you just drag whatever tile you have onto that grid.
That's a big grid of tiles.
Alright. That should fix that.
Hopefully our tile map's a little bit smaller than this. One. Okay,
Yeah.
let's open up Clip Studio here. I'll make a 16 by 16, I guess.
That's good.
I don't know if the
Everything
resolution
working.
matters.
Seems to be working. Okay, almost everything. For some reason, when you spawn in, if you try to slide the first time, he doesn't actually move.
Doesn't actually what?
He doesn't actually move
Oh,
if you don't move when he spawns in. If you move and then
Interesting.
try to slide. I did.
interesting.
Okay, now I'm stuck again. Back to.
Oh, the eraser is absolutely enormous. Holy shit. Very bigly. I want to merge all into new, pop that out, pop that out. And by pop that out, I mean hide that, export single layer as a punch. A pinch.
Ah, okay.
Assets.
Just for
tiles,
getting exclamation points in places. That's all.
Test round. Oh, you had to negate some things?
Yeah, well, I when I switched it over from booleans to flags, they had they had a whole load of ands, like if not grounded and not sliding and not crouching and not ledge grabbing and all this all these if ands.
Yeah.
So I simplified it down to a single flag check. But I forgot to put for some of them I forgot to put the not in front of it, so to check if it doesn't have any of those flags.
Yeah. The heck? My
Okay, there we
phone
go.
vibrated, but I don't have any notifications. Strange. Wow, they really.
Okay, there we go.
Starter now was like, you completed both of the last quests? Now you don't get any. No
And
quests.
there we go. All right, everything's working properly. Jump. Slide.
Wonder Boar. Repo.
Yeah. I'm gonna push to my branch and push merge into main.
Oh, I need to make an asset. Right.
That's okay.
Wait, sorry, what?
I said I'm going to push to my branch and merge into main.
Yeah, that sounds fine. I don't think we need to do a pull request just yet. For stuff like that. Since this is the only template for a character controller we have at the moment.
Yeah.
Let me separate these into sprites and textures. Wait, I made a prefab for it?
What was that? Yeah, it made an asset for it.
Oh, it
Makes assets
automatically
for every
made
tile.
a... Okay.
Yeah, and you drag that tile into your tile set right
What? Okay, well that didn't work apparently. Wait, do they need to be in the same folder? Do I need to apply a texture to it then? What's it asking for? It's asking me to like go locate it again. Oh no, it's asking me to save it.
Character controller,
Okay.
character controller all set.
Wonderful.
Make sure you do pixel, for in your image settings for your tile. Make sure you change the filtering to point, or filtering to none instead of whatever it has. Filter mode bilinear, change it to hit apply.
Oh, does that like make it really?
It makes
messes
it
with
blurry,
the
yeah.
aliasing, yeah.
So.
That's like the maps that we used to have to deal with.
Yeah. But yeah, if you change the point, it becomes pixel.
Mesh tight. Let's see if this does anything. Oh, look how small it is.
Yeah, that's when you change the grid to the grid size.
Well, I don't know if my image is as big as it should be.
No, did you change the grid? If you go to grid.
Well, no. Well, I mean, I can obviously, but it was more of a concern of whether the grid should be the same size as tile or whether the tile should be expanded to meet the size of the grid.
Well, you change the grid size down to the 0.16, and then you scale up the grid.
Wait, change to like the cell size to 0.16?
Yeah, 0.16. And then you scale up the grid, like, well, no, the grid,
the actual
grids. The actual scale, yeah. Now your tile should be the same size as the grid. Yeah, you can change those to 0.
Oh, they sure are.
Yeah. Now it's the same size as the grid.
I feel like these need to be more solid.
They can be 0. That's
these
just
are
where
positions.
the
This
grid
is position.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You can change the other one to like 5.
Yeah, I meant to be changing this. Scale is absolutely what I thought I was on. And I will actually change the Y position to be down just a smidge.
So it lines up with the
At the very least, so that some part of it lines up with the screen. I don't exactly know. I mean, this is just test, obviously, but something like that. Sure, that'll work. Save.
Then in your tile map,
What?
you need to add gliders to it.
Oh yeah, it's already got it.
Oh, then go to your tile map. Add in a composite.
Is it tile composite or is it just composite?
Just a composite collider.
What does that do?
It makes it so it's one thing instead of a whole bunch of little ones.
Oh,
yeah, just change it to static. The dynamic.
Where are you looking?
You
Oh,
need
there's
to
a
delete
drop
it.
down for it. Sorry, I thought it was a boolean.
Yeah.
Oh, not kinematic.
Change it to static. I'm sorry, I'm watching your stream, so it's a bit of a delay.
Yes.
And then use by effect in the tile map collider.
Used by effector. What is an effector?
Nope, the tile map player. Not
You repeat that? You cut out.
You click the use by effector on the composite collider. You need to check it on the tile map collider.
Ah. This collider will not function as the effector. There's at least one enabled 2D effector on this game object. Oh, I guess this I assume like detects the player or something.
The tile map collider generates the collider, and the composite one meshes it all together.
Okay.
So it's just one collider.
I think I see. I don't understand, but I get it. I get the vibes.
Oh, uncheck the use by effector. There should underneath that is composite options. Underneath the use by effector. Boolean. There's a drop down.
Oh, merge.
Yeah, you can hit merge. So now, if you look at the actual like collider, it's just all the way around the thing and not boxes.
Ah.
So if you add more to it, it'll add more.
Yeah, it changes it. Okay.
Yeah.
Composite collider.
It's
So I have
just-
to remember this.
It's just a what's it called?
Technically, don't need these
Efficiency?
coordinates, I don't think.
No. It's just a.
It seems efficient. It makes
I
it
don't-
simpler, that's for sure.
Yeah, it makes it simpler, and it reduces like the checks for the amount of colliders you have. Each one of those tiles with its own individual collider. So.
Yeah, then they would all be checking individually for collisions. But now it just
Mhm.
checks the whole terrain.
Yep.
I like it, I like it, I like it.
Well, because then you'll
like it.
also have the terrain filled in usually with like a simple color, so it's not just floating platforms.
They are floating platforms.
Well, what I mean is
I would have
when you
another
actually,
white tile here, I guess, though.
Yeah, that's you would have a white tile there, but
Ooh, ah.
yeah.
Speaking of which, I can just do that. Bum bum bum.
Yeah. The player should be all set up. Well,
I dragged the wrong thing into there. Okay.
so you can download that and start playing around with it.
I will pop that in here in just a second.
I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab.
Okay. No worries. Grab away. Boy.
I just left my current drink in the other room. Ugh. I am back.
Welcome back, sir. Interesting that it just automatically turns those into those. That's not what I wanted.
I'm gonna try to fix the hitbox thing for the hero when he slides. Uh-oh.
Okay. Look, Ma. I made terrain.
Nice.
Tile mapping
The
and
play-
shit.
Yeah, the player's jump force might need to be adjusted, but from the default value, but that's about it.
Yeah, I'll probably have a couple things that I need to adjust for it. Just probably because everything's different sizes at the moment.
Actually,
We'll see. It might actually be pretty on par. That'd be fun. That'd be nice. I need to stash my changes.
Character.
Pull the changes. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Then I want to unstash, restore. Yeah. No conflicts. Hey. Reload. Domain expansion. Reloading. I don't know anything about Jujutsu Kaisen.
Never seen it.
I just know that they do that. And the nah, I'd win meme.
Nah, I'd win.
Oh, I got an email saying that you merged in your your files.
Yeah. It's the only way I could figure out how to do it.
I mean, we can do pull requests eventually, but I don't think they're necessary for while we're just merging in base stuff.
Mm-hmm. No, and yeah, I only use pull requests because it seemed like the only way to do it.
Oh, you're dating as a pull. Oh, yeah, because you had another branch. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I just automatically completed it, but... I have...
If we can, if we're gonna have a pretty standard schedule of just, like, having a bunch of stuff to do during the daytime hours, I might be able to, once I'm done doing work, I can start playing Metroid Prime.
That's fair.
So then I don't have to wait a month to start Metroid Prime, and it'll be a Metroidvania, so I'll technically be studying for our current game jam. Oh, my glove has a hole in it!
Oh no.
I'll have to get out the sewing kit. Uh-oh, I've got some errors. What did I do? Why is the tile palette thing broken? Oh, it's not reloading anything. Something out of here must be permanent.
Oh yeah, restart your Unity. I updated the input system.
Ah. That might do it. Is my stream like really low quality right now?
Not for me, no.
Okay. It must just be my preview window. It looks like it's in, I don't know, 360, 540, something like that at the moment. I can't read the text that's currently in my to-do list. But I am also viewing it on the same machine that I am streaming from. Which probably has something to do with it. Let me take out apply character controller. That's being done right now as we speak to each other. What should I have for dinner? Although I just ate lunch like an hour ago. Yes. I'm always thinking about food. Alright. Everything seems to have updated properly. So the PNGs automatically imported themselves as sprites.
Yeah, it should be under prefab.
Which means... What are these? Yeah, they were prefab files.
The player controller should be under prefabs. The player.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were talking about the style sheet or the tile sheet that I just made. Give me 1 second. I'm reorganizing this real quick.
No problem. Oh, and you are also going to have to drop in a input manager.
A what manager? Input manager?
Yeah.
Did I name that right? No, these are just tiles. Yeah, this is just a tile. I don't want this just to be called tiles though, so let me rename this to tile sheets. Access is denied. Try again. Okay.
Right, is it open in another program?
Shouldn't be. I think it was. Still had the. Oh, is it because I'm in the thing in File Explorer?
Probably.
That doesn't seem to be it. The heck? Is Clip Studio holding onto it? Discard. Oh yeah, it was Clip Studio. Okay. I didn't even save that. I just exported it.
I don't know.
Weird. I guess Clip Studio keeps a tab on the export, maybe so that if you export it again, it can like slap the same name in there.
Probably, yeah.
Oh well. Alright, you said I need to add an input controller.
Yeah, it's just an empty with the input manager script on it.
We'll make my stick dead zone. I'll leave that 0 for right now.
Yeah, then you should just be able to drop the player there.
Yeah, I just realized I didn't have him. Oh, you're big. Look at the big man. Let's see if he goes to the floor. He stands. He run. He yump. Oh, he a little. Ah, he always faces one direction when he yump. That's why he twitch. Oh wait, he always faces the opposite direction? That might be a sprite sheet thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just seems like the opposite sprites in the thing. Looks like it works pretty well then.
I believe mouse, the left click should be attack.
What's the
Or
slide?
using a keyboard. If you're running, you can push down, and he'll slide.
Ah, yeah, that was it. Oh, he crouched too. I like the state changing over here.
Oh yeah, the state flags
Yeah.
for all the flags. Yeah. Long
Cool.
enough to get them in, but
Hup. Hup. How did I do that? There
what
it is.
yeah, there was supposed to be like a ledge grab and a ledge slide and a wall jump, but it's broken currently.
Okay.
That's probably just a bit of like overflow from that.
Well, we'll do wall jump later anyway. That's one of our current tasks is to implement like a basic version of it.
Yeah. So it's just it's commented out and labeled as broken in the code.
Okay.
So I plan on going back and revisiting it later. I'm probably gonna re-import this back into my game when I'm done with it.
Oh wait,
a
what
lot
happened
of
to the
a lot of
input
it.
manager?
It's in the Don't Destroy on mode.
Ah.
So we only need one input manager, really.
This detects things.
So if we-
Oh, it does detect it live. I'm using my controller now.
Yeah. Yeah, and with that, you can also change, like, if we have sprites and stuff, or, like, button controls, we can change that as well, live, but depending on what character. Yeah, that's because, stick dead zone.
Point. 0.25? Is that too low?
I usually have mine set at 0.1. But,
Yeah.
yeah, because I noticed I had that happen to me too. I'm like, why is he slightly moving? But I'm like, oh, he's the stick is slightly tilted.
Yeah.
I'm like, let me add a stick dead zone in and whatnot. So
It might be wise for controller support to have, instead of down, be crouch.
it should. There's also
like
right bumper.
Oh, you're right. You know what? I did try right bumper, actually.
I just like the way you could kind of like swirl the stick around. Just get a good slide pattern going, kind of like bunny hopping.
Oh, well, I kind of ruined it with my terrain.
Yeah, but that was more the idea for the down.
Oh, there we go.
I also
kinda
think
like
the
it, actually. Oh, whoops. I fell off the edge. I forgot to
Yeah.
put walls in.
That's fair.
All right, let me set this to. I'll set it to like 0.05 maybe, just to give it a little bit of leeway.
Mhm.
What is
Um,
this? Oh, that must be.
That's
Bluetooth data.
the. That was the That's probably the input manager. Actually.
That is the input manager. Okay. What's our camera size right now? One. Is this like window sized? No.
Yeah, you're on free aspect currently.
Let's 16 by 9. I want full HD. Okay, so I need to do that. I closed out of the game window. Game! There we go. Oh, went back a long ways. Damn it. Yes. Windows 2D tile palettes. Okay. Yeah, so the player character looks good so far for the initial. I unplugged my tablet. I can't use it.
Fair.
I do kind of like the swivel also. For the swivel for the crouch. I don't know if it's going to get annoying later and we might need to like free up space for the other actions, but I mean, it's kind of fun.
I know I need to actually put an A. Yeah. I thought it was a good one.
I feel like
the code, when I imported it originally, the code just needed a lot of help.
I feel like
slowly doing.
It's one of those things that I do while I'm idling, or like while I'm just walking.
What
the crouching?
Oh yeah.
That's in Hollow Knight. They have like destructible environment.
Mm-hmm.
So everywhere I walked, I was just like slapping the background and destroying things. I feel like that was kind of a standard experience.
What?
Oh, there we go. Maybe make transparent ones for walls at some point. Or make actual walls for walls at some point. Shiggy.
Ah, staple.
I just had some errors pop up. What were those? Unity overlays preset manager to get all presets. Is that part of the input? Overlay canvas.
Alright.
It's probably part of the tile system if I had to assume. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. These are the same and then it's fine after that. And it doesn't give me any source really, but I can see anyway. Ha! Freeze frame.
Yeah, that's all part of that
Yeah.
wall stuff I took out.
I just like doing it. I did it with my 3D one too. There was a problem with that for a while where you could just like stick his nose into a wall and it looked like he was using it like an ice pick. It's good to me. Feels good to me. Might be interesting to make the attacks like move you forward a little bit.
Yeah, that's all with the with the changing.
Oh, there's a block.
How'd I remove that? Oh well. Oh no, I kept parry in. I removed throw and ledge climb and ledge drop. Let me test this.
I'm trying all the buttons now. Oh, shift also slides.
Yeah, shift is probably what the right bumper is equivalent.
Oh. I accidentally tested the respawn.
And I believe Q is damage, and that should also kill you because you don't have any health.
Yes. Yeah, that is that is why I just tested the respawn.
I believe respawn is like the actual respawn is.
Oh, he does kill me too.
Q is damage.
What is this?
Yeah, Q is damage, but because you don't have any health. Oh, those are the timers.
Disable
Don't worry about that.
timer.
It's for like your when you swing your sword.
I can swing my sword. I can swing my sword.
I need to fix them so they don't, you know.
Yes, I do know. So. YouTube.
But yeah, if you change the health to like 100 or something, on the player,
Sure, I can give that a shot.
you can see the damage.
1 million health.
No. But yeah, if you hit Q, you'll damage yourself now, and you won't die.
I feel like we can definitely make damage a little more intuitive.
Yeah.
Not visually or anything, but I mean like in terms of UI. Sorry, I got ahead of myself there. I don't know if we need like a health bar or anything.
Yeah, no, I mean that was just more of a it's there.
I guess a health bar would make things easier, but
We could do like a Legend of Zelda health bar or a Minecraft health bar.
yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking, like a heart system or something, so that it's more like this is the number of times that you can get hit, rather than here is a bar that goes down. I forgot the UI existed.
Wait, I was testing the whatchamacallit. Oh, it didn't reset.
Oh shoot, the
Why didn't it
whatchamacallit.
reset? Oh, go off the edge.
Oh. Screen position out of view frustum. Okay, that's definitely out of the tile set. Oh, don't open visual. Oh, come on. I'm not going to be able to see any of this or read it. Holy, that's a big Kieran. Oh, actually. Is this just because I have tiles outside of the camera?
It shouldn't be.
Screen position out of view frustum.
No!
Camera.current.screen to world point. Okay, I'm gonna Google this.
Alright. Time to test this slide thing for real now.
Screen position out of view frustum. Page not found. Solved. Okay. Created a new camera and deleted the old one. Right click on the scene tab and close it, then right click and open the tab. Scene tab again. Okay. Is it literally just the scene messing up for some reason?
Probably.
That's funny. The scene didn't understand that it was a scene. Sorry.
You can now slide under things.
Under things, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
I just gotta make it so you crouch if you're still under something. When you're done sliding. Because currently you stand up and kind of get clipped in. And then if you try to jump, you get stuck.
Oh.
But that's small potatoes. Oh yeah, if I'm still streaming, you can see it on the Discord
Oh,
stream.
that's right. I forgot I had the Discord stream still up.
See, you can't run through it, and then you slide, you go bam.
Hey.
Yeah, and like I said, if you slide underneath it, you kind of...
Oh yeah, you get ejected into the ground a little bit.
Yeah. So...
We can just eventually make it so that it pushes you out, or it makes it so
I'm
that
planning
you just have to crouch.
You crouch.
Yeah.
Because you can only slide when you're crouched. If you try to move when you're crouched.
We can probably work in like a really slow crawl with the crouch at some point too.
Yeah.
If you're crouched and you try to move, you just eat.
Yeah, exactly.
Because they're gonna need a way to get out. Or if we really want to make it movement, we can just force them out by slingshot on the other side. Movement action.
But yeah. Oh, I fell off again. But yeah, so that's working. Cool. Cool. Let me... all.
Good work, Automod. My Automod caught one of the bot guys.
Hmm.
Let's go ahead and report. Spam. Scam. Bots. Can I select 3 things? Spam, scam, and bot? Because it's technically all 3.
I wish.
Can I delete the message from my view? Oh, I'm still showing your screen.
Clodsire of the code.
The Clodsire of the code. Codesire.
I'm in. Heavy. I'd say the player controller is pretty. A few other things that done on it, but those are. Those are small.
I think there are things that we can polish out initially, but I think as long as it's in and it's working, it's.
I mean, the small and
right.
minor things are like the wall jump, the being crushed between the things, stuff like that.
Yeah. I don't need this. Sorry, dancing pug. Did you already commit this stuff, or are you still working on that?
No.
Okay.
No, I haven't committed. I haven't committed the the new change.
I was just double checking. I'm gonna reorganize my stuff, and then I should be able to commit the walls, the tile maps. I might make one more for a wall, actually.
That's fair.
Click that.
Darn.
In reality, I might actually change these.
Oh.
Because we don't know what size. Currently they're 16 by 16, but I don't think we want them to be 16 by 16.
I usually go 32 by 32.
Yeah, I think we want a 64. That way we can get some extra level of detail. So I'm going to have to rescale everything here before I do anything else. God, this message is just sitting here and I can't get rid of it. I want to accidentally click on the link. I think Clip Studio is broken.
True.
Oh, there it comes. Rest in Pepe. Pepe Sylvia! Wait, 32 by 32 is 64-bit, right? Oh, when it's gone now. It disappeared when I went to mod view. What do you mean? Ben!
Let's try to fix the wall jump first.
Ah, there we go, ban. Yay!
Ugh. Ugh.
Oh, okay. Well, that's confusing. But sure. Twitch? Woo! Let me open up my tiny little lads here. Actually, I can probably just remake them. It won't be that hard. Scheiße. Oh, jeez. What am I doing? I have like a select marquee rectangle about here, I think. Fill. There we go. Now it's a bit clearer what the heck's happening. What do you heck? Export. Oh wait, no, that's gonna merge all this new layer. Oh, prefabs. Where are my tile sheets? Sprites. Sprites. Yes. You get replaced. And I want to see exactly how badly that screws everything up. They're gone. Because it just replaced it with a tile that I knew it had. Oh no! Let me delete these. Oh, that looks good.
Hey.
Can I erase these?
Wall slide does work. Okay, I know what's wrong. What are you doing?
I accidentally made really giant error blocks by changing the sprites. They're just really big red blocks where everything used to be. So I don't know where the centers of them are. There we go. That sucked. Bum bum bodum bum boom. Can I remove a tile from here?
All right. All side works, mostly.
Nice.
It doesn't really work on shorter walls, and because you still get stuck on the corners.
Note to self in the future. Export these as separate files and then replace them in Unity.
Yeah, that was a...
Looks
What?
worse. Broken everything.
It was a simple answer to fix it. The movement didn't check if it was sliding. I mean, if you were already wall sliding, so you were just kind of trying to move into the wall, so you get stuck to the wall.
Oh. Wait, what? That's not right. That's not the sprite that I chose. Okay, well that's a big error block. What do you mean? What's happening? It's like it can't figure out the sprite. Okay, maybe let me delete this and replay it that way.
Alright.
Might need to recreate this whole tile sheet. Get rid of ya. Don't know how I did something so wrong, but I did apparently.
Hey, wall jump doesn't work still. Why?
Tile. Test tile filler. Yeah. Test tile round. Thunderstorms likely this evening. Wait, is my room really dark right now? Not really.
No? Okay. Get a jump check.
Hehehe. Good.
Literally just moved and checked that.
The bot has been booted. I feel like they just have automatic handlings for these sort of things nowadays.
Yeah.
So like, oh, you got reported for being a bot, we're just automatically gonna ban you. Which has potential bad repercussions.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking, why? Why?
Oh, no, wrong one.
do I get rid of this?
Oh my. Oh, my controller's dead.
Oh.
And that would explain a lot.
Oh, what? Where did this come from?
Oh, that's the hero prototype thing I dragged in. That's part of its demo.
Ah. Ah. How do I get rid of this red garbage? Tile map. Tile palette.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, things are back to normal. Sort of. Alright. Just wanted to add a wall. That's all I wanted to do. Das ist alles.
Alright. You know what they say, third time's a charm. Ah, yes.
Oh, yes. Merge into new. Peepow. That's not... Oh, yes it is. Never mind. Oh, I've made a minor mistake, I guess.
Fix that.
Herby burb. Burb. Ow.
I think I can do that. Able move.
Wow, that actually worked out pretty well. Can I transform layer flip horizontal? Oh, I can do a transform. Yeah, we'll just do transform then. Probably be a little easier if these were all the same height. Or if the...
I'm trying to get this wall jump down currently.
Okay. I'm messing around, I guess, really. I'm just adding, like, corners and stuff to my tile map. But this is a test tile map, so I probably shouldn't really worry too much about that. Although I guess it would help us see things. That's about it, though.
Dumb.
Boom bap. Boom bap. This shouldn't matter too much. This should be pretty easily done.
You should just make them one image. Separate.
So what?
I say you should just combine them all into one image as a separate image.
Oh, like a sprite sheet, sort of?
Yeah, a tile sheet.
It's probably a good idea. Like, this way it was easier to make them 32 by 32, but...
Okay, cool.
I can separate them onto a separate palette. I need to know how many of them I have first, I guess. Is really the problem.
Oh.
Although Unity is just going to convert them into a sprite anyway, I guess.
It just makes things clean.
I will do that, but I need to make sure I know how big to make my canvas.
Save. I'm not saved.
I think.
Oh, I saved.
What? Oh, it's offline, that's why. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 32 times 4. 128 by 128.
It should be...
Okay, that's not the thing that I copied. Please use the thing that I copied.
Alright, wall jumping works.
Heyo.
You wanna see?
Give me 1 second. I'm putting all of my sheets, my sprites into one. Well, this isn't. Oh, it was only too high. I'll have to change that. Whoops. Hey. That looks good. Are you detecting it with a raycast or collision?
No, it's a collider.
Okay.
Yeah, no, the before it was automatically turning it around. If you were if you hold left, you could basically jump up this wall really quickly.
Yeah.
So like you could do this. Really?
Yeah.
But
I like it when video games have being able to climb one wall like that.
yeah.
It makes it so that you don't have to always put triangle jumps everywhere.
Yeah, I mean it is there, but I wanted you to be able to. Before it was, you weren't even like lifting off the wall like I am now.
Ah.
It was just you basically stick to the wall and you just spam A and you fly up the wall.
Oh. You were just like sliding up
So
it.
this, yeah, pretty much. So I just fixed it so it did push you off the wall for a second.
Okay.
So it made you look like you were actually jumping off the wall.
That's good. That's good.
Cool. All right. I might also change the collider to a capsule, because if there's something small, if there's something like a small thing like this right here, I get stuck.
Oh. It's your hitbox is currently sliding along the ground. Wait, why is that doing that?
Oh, it's because it's a box collider. It's not a capsule.
Well, I mean, the tiles shouldn't be looking like that, should they?
Sometimes Unity likes screwing up, and it gives like a pixel like up above. It shouldn't. No, you are right.
Because the height
Unity...
should be the same as the width on those. Oh, if Unity's like grid is breaking it.
Also, we wouldn't also be able to. Well, these are just boxes. These aren't really. Also, I wouldn't be able to do stairs with this. I wouldn't be able to do ramps. Like if we take this thing and we rotate it, so it's like a ramp. I may not be able to actually walk up this. Oh no, I can.
Magic.
It's the steepest.
Probably a 45 is what we'd go for.
Yeah, I need to change it to. I need to just change something, just how things are triggering.
Now launch him.
Otherwise,
Ah. The collider's not strong enough.
I think I moved it too fast, and it just did that. So.
Wait. Ugh. Is it rotated at all right now? No, it's not.
No,
It's
it got
position.
reset.
It's just beyond. Okay. I think what my problem was I didn't. Oh, that's not the tile system, is it?
No.
Oh, okay. That's what I was confused about. I thought the tiles were doing that little lip.
No, it's not the tile system.
Okay. Okay.
It's just a whole bunch of boxes that I've.
Understood.
Yeah, anyways, our ramp should only be like 45 degrees anyways, so. And as long as it's not a wall.
Yeah.
I just need to figure out the corner. The corner thing.
Size. Oh, where you get stuck on the corners?
Yeah.
I'll have to see how you're actually doing the detection, I guess, in order to think about that at all. Is it like rotating the box collider slightly?
No.
What's that other? Oh, there's another box collider at its feet to keep him on the ground.
Yeah, that's the grounded box collider or the
Got
grounded
it.
sensor.
Got it. Ba, 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 ba. 64.
Okay. I think I know why he gets stuck. I think it has to do with it trying to apply like sideways forces and not being able to the wall colliders aren't sensing it. The wall whatchamacallits aren't actually sensing it. So
Oh, I don't need to visualize these. It would be the wall collider, wouldn't it? What?
well the there's a wall like sensor that senses for like the wall slides and stuff.
Yeah.
Because the wall sensors aren't sensing it. Because the wall sensors aren't sensing it, it kind of just sticks to the wall because it's trying to apply like a sideways force to it.
Ah.
If that makes so, it's sticking to the wall.
Yeah, so it's just pushing the player into the wall.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be.
Mm-hmm.
I see. I understand. Merge all visible. Okay, let's hope that the sprite detection works for this. YouTube has stopped playing music again because it really wants me to touch it. Test tile sprite sheet. See if this works like I think it's going to. Should handle itself automatically for the most part. If I remember correctly. Hey, it's Blue! Hello! The game making goes... Well, it's just starting out right now. For the most part. We did some planning. Howdy, Blue. Welcome in. How you do?
Hello.
Watching while working. Nice. Me too. Technically. I'm learning about tile palettes today. And how to go overboard with them. Do I really want to delete those? Spray mode multiple. Okay, yeah, that should be multiple sprites. Point, no filter. How did the bouncing pill game end up? It's still in progress. I haven't really... Oh, the ads are in progress. Well, you apparently don't seem to be affected by this. The pill game is still a work in progress. There's still some things I've gotta figure out, but right now we're working on a game jam. It's me, Michael, the one that joined me for the last game jam, and Vincent, the guy that helped me out with the pill game on a few things.
Hello.
Also, both former coworkers. I guess technically right now they're still coworkers. Pixels per unit. 32. Apply. That should give me a good set of separate tiles. Let's edit this. Remove these.
Did you make them multiple and edit the tile sheet to cut them up correctly?
I gotta open the sprite editor for that, I assume.
Yes.
I've never done this part either.
Then you can go up to the
Sprite
slice
editor.
up at the top. You might need to fill it out. Yeah, there it is. You go, then you go how many rings?
Wait, did I select it?
It's the drop down menu you already had. It's right next to the spray. That one.
Oh. Type
You
automatic.
Go down to like either column count. Doesn't matter. Cell size might be best because you know what the cell size is.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
No
So
cell
32 by
size,
32, right? And then
32 by 32, and then you hit slice.
nice power slice.
Then everything should be sliced out into different sprites now.
Then they looked like it from the preview I got.
Mm-hmm. And then you just need to hit apply.
Apply. It generates separate ones, or does it? No, it doesn't.
Yep.
Okay.
So it's still one file, but if you click the little arrow next to the file,
Oh, it should unravel. Yeah. Okay.
it'll
I see.
unravel everything into each individual. That's right.
Unravel me.
So, and then you just use all those. Yeah. You can do that. That should.
Hey, look at that. It looks like it added a little extra. Oh no, that's just the border.
Oh,
Never
that's
mind.
just the selection. Yeah.
It does look a little functional, doesn't it? Oh,
Yeah,
oh
you
my
just gotta
god!
go back and change. You just gotta go back and change the grid size to 1.
Yeah, I've got to make it smaller. Is it 1 that we want, or is it like a 2?
Well, that would be
it's
the size would be
definitely a
1, but the cell size would be as well. You need to change the cell size in the grid to 1 as well.
Ah.
So the tiles match up with the grid. Yeah, there you go.
There we go. And then I want to add. I'm gonna add a little. Let's replace this and. Actually, I don't know how long the slide is. We'll make it smaller than that.
Yeah.
Kind of written myself into a corner here, but this is fine. Look at that. We have a box with a box on it. The box is boxed. I've given us borders. I'm a doctor with borders. I hope work's treating you well, Blue. I should, hopefully, if I can get a schedule right with this game jam, I should probably be starting Metroid Prime this week. I might... I have everything technically set up for it. I might be able to do it tonight, but I want to make sure, I think, that everything's good to go with the jam before I start it. Work is blah, but Twitch helps. Nice. That's how I felt at my old job, too. I had at least like 5 Twitch tabs open at all times. I was getting my work done. I don't think they liked it very much, even though I was getting my work done.
I don't think you have the slide upgrade.
I don't have the slide upgrade yet, no. I haven't pulled down anything.
I haven't pushed anything either.
I can slide, if that's what you are asking. But I don't know if have you changed it to make it longer or whatever?
No, I made it so you can actually slide under things.
Ah. Oh, you changed the hitbox. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Can I jump on top of this? I want to make sure that this has a little bit of dual purpose. Oh, my jump's not quite high enough yet. Right, I don't have the... Okay. I'm mostly setting my stuff up for once that fix is in place.
I should have it shortly.
T and 4, sir. That's very fair, Blue. I didn't have a door to shut, but, you know. I feel it. I don't know how big this is. Although I have kind of written myself. I've done a little bit of an oops here. Because I should have added a set of these sprites that has a border all the way around 3 sides. 2. In case I wanted to make a 1x1. Currently I can only make 2x2s. Minimally. Bum 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 bum. Oh, just barely.
If you can get it. Oh, never mind.
I'm almost there. I'm so close. Bonk. I was hoping that little 1 block would be my ticket up. I might need to scale things just a smidge differently so that they fit a little better. If this is the size of player we're going with.
Well, hopefully when I'm done fixing this, you'll be able to.
Yeah. I'd like, I want it to be that 1 tile is like half the size of a player, probably.
Mm-hmm.
So then we can, if it's 2 blocks high, well, the player can just walk under it. But if it's half a block, then they can slide under it, kind of.
Yeah.
I feel like that would be easiest to manage, at least. Maybe it is not. What do I know? It sounds like it makes sense, at the very least.
Ugly, but there's no other way to.
Hold on, how close am I to... I'm not that close, actually. Thought I was closer than that.
All right.
Bow, bow.
Let's see if this.
Let me delete these sprites. I want to erase these tiles here. Oh, it didn't take my click. Wait, what? Oh, I have to select the tile map? No? Let's try
What are you trying to
reopening
do?
that window. I was trying to select a tool, but it wouldn't actually select any of the tools. So I think the window just bugged out.
Yeah. All right. Here we go.
There we go. I don't want those.
I want them out of here. Get out of here.
As you can see by the title, by the way, our game jam is a Metroidvania. We have some design stuff already in progress. We wanted to get that a little bit ahead of ways before we started getting into the Unity stuff, which is why there hasn't really been a stream recently. For the past 3 days. Well, technically on Saturday we started doing design stuff, and then I did like a handful of things here and there over the weekend. I forgot to put the filler in my sprite sheet. Let's expand this sprite sheet. Although I guess filler and no, there'd be 4 directions with 3 on them. Let me. This will be good for white boxing out levels too, if I can get this test tile set done.
Yeah.
Then we can just see where the borders are and then overwrite them with actual sprites later that match those borders.
Ooh, my spine. Ugh.
I want to edit canvas size. It's 32 times 3.
Can't you just
98.
put ×3 in? The height?
Can I?
Just put 32 times 3.
Nope. It won't let me do times. Although I think it's 98. I know it's 96.
Oh. Uh-oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Cast.
That's not what I wanted at all. I had the wrong thing selected because I am smart. Merge selected. I mean, I guess technically right now everything's a border. This is just visual. Oh, this will help separate it from the background, I guess. Me too, but
I love programming. I hate programming.
it's like a love-hate relationship. Can I type a number in? Where the hell is my... Where's my Dragonator?
Oh, no. Fuck.
It's not a rotate, just rotate 90? There's a flip horizontal. No, I want to transform, just rotate. Ah, rotation angle. Yeah! It's a magic man. Yeah. Oh! My keyboard is so far away from me right now. Boy, I tell you what, sprites will be there, but they're gonna be incomprehensible. This looks like hieroglyphics. No, don't save. I'm creating unknowns. Why didn't I just type in the number? I don't know. Sometimes I amaze myself. Oh. Stupid. I am. That's not what I copied. Where did this border come from? Oh, it was because I typed in 128. Is there a hotkey for this? No. That's why I didn't type in 128. I didn't want a top border to deal with. It's not what I copied. That is not what I copied. Still not what I copied.
Alright.
And I want one that is fully involved.
Almost.
Hell. That's it. Just hell. Don't save, don't save, don't save, don't save, don't save, don't save, don't save. Yes. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes. Merge selected layers. Come up with any other ideas for tile set stuff. Said if you happen to come up with any other ideas for things that I can add to the test tile set, just let me know. Or you can do it yourself, I guess, if you have this. You have a thing for this.
Yeah.
They're just punches. Boy, do I look like I know what a JPEG is. Test tile sprite sheet. Bigger. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, bing, bum. Trilinear. Bilinear. Grid by cell size. 32 by 32.
Slice.
Oh, cancel. Apply. Bless you.
Oh no, I just moved my mic.
It didn't sound like a sneeze.
Oh.
Just to clarify.
Fuck yeah.
What?
Oh. Sorry, I'm still trying to fix this the wall issue.
It's just been destroyed.
I thought I fixed it, but
no worries. Alright. It's been destroyed. Okay, don't bring me the code. I don't want the code for this. I wanted you to take me to the file, you dingus. Okay, hold on, let me just remove these. Just delete everything. Yeah, that's fine. We can have problems, that's okay. We're learning. Yeah! Tiles! Okay. Oh shit, I'm on the erasers. Can I undo this? Okay, let's just erase everything. Oh wait, do I have to add them back individually? No.
you should just be able to drag that file in if it's sliced correctly.
It's gotta try to save it again though, isn't it? Oh, reuse. I see. Ah. Wait, why are these too small?
You didn't set. Did you set the size?
Yeah, the grid should
on
already
the
be set.
import setting? On the import settings for the tile set. The pixels per unit's 100. You need to set it to 32,
Oh.
like you did last time.
You're right. I completely forgot about that part. Oh, apply. Will that automatically? Yes, it will. Perfect. Wonder bar. Wait, that needs to be white. It's excusable, I guess.
For our test.
What do you mean it's not perfect? Oh, whoops. What do you mean you don't agree with me? Do you know who you're dealing with? I can set a nub here. And then I can make a 1 by 1. I'm a Guinness. Tests. Tests ahoy! Alright, I don't have the collider for that. Oh, I can't get back? Huh. Movement seems to move. Okay. Saving. I'm going to go ahead and commit this tile set so that we can have that for the future. So we can look to the future, shape the future. Let me make sure that I don't have duplicates here, because this can go away. All of these are what is there. Yep, that's fine. That is just the test tile set. Okay.
Oh, are you listening to the same thing I am?
Probably something with a similar beat to it, I guess. I'm on the no copyright music that I play.
Yeah, that's fair.
It's called Get Going is the one that I'm listening to. And now I'm on Groovy Town. This town's pretty groovy. Scurvy's pretty town. What happened to GitHub? Oh, there it is. I should rename this file to make this the official one. Don't break anything. Okay, good. Oh, it renamed all of these tiles. Oh. Bum. Oh. Fuck. Wait, that's 9. That's 8. Oh, Jesus. Did it really just rename them? Oh, God, it reordered them. Ugh. Okay, you're 11. Got it. Maybe it didn't reorder them and I'm just crazy. I think I probably just undid enough that it looked like it unordered them. Okay. That should be up to date. Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum, boom. Fetching. Nothing changed. Okay. Added a tile set. I haven't committed the tile set yet, have I? No. I don't know why I thought you had it.
What?
Earlier when I asked if you were using the tiles, or like I thought you were using the tiles, but I never actually committed the tiles. So I don't know why I thought you had it. I thought I had made one commit already for it. Maybe. Hello, Minox. Welcome. How are you doing? We are currently amidst a month-long game jam for Metroidvania. It's a Metroidvania. Yeah. Not an entirely like new project that I'm gonna be on super long term, really, but it's a game jam. The whole game jam lasts a month, so this is what I'm doing for the next month. I am still working on the red pill game, but it's on pause for the moment so that I can work on this. I've always wanted to make a Metroidvania. Saw a lot coming after 2015. Not many was really fun. Metroidvanias? It's hard to make a Metroidvania. It is very hard to make a Metroidvania. Because you have to backtrack, and you have to have collectibles. I guess you don't have to. Those are your typical ingredients, though. Are having a bunch of collectibles, backtracking, exploration. So right now we're just kind of getting things started. We've got like a test tile system here. My buddy Vinny is working on some character controller stuff right now. He's getting a bunch of actions put together. He has a character controller that he's already worked on, so he pretty much already had that in the bag. So we're using that, and we're gonna tweak it a bit to work with our new system here. What? That was interesting. You know much more programming than probably 90% of the average Twitch viewer. I guess that's fair. I don't know. A lot of people know about programming nowadays.
Oh.
I haven't done any polls or anything on it. I know some programming. Okay. Uh-oh, an error. Unable to process path. Permission denied. Oh, that's a temporary Visual Studio file. Whoops. Where's that at? Dark Studios Entertainment. I've thought about like trying to get the resources together to make a studio, but I don't know if I have the ability to lead a studio like that. I feel like I still need more experience just in the whole industry. Alright, Get rid of that. What's a suo file? That's also a Visual Studio file. Ignore.
Use a proper git ignore.
Say what?
I said, did you use the proper git ignore?
I used a git ignore. There's a proper one?
Yeah, GitHub has a Unity git ignore.
Oh, no, I've just been adding things manually to it.
Yeah, yeah, GitHub has a Unity specific git ignore.
Ah. I should have used that, yeah. It's not that it wasn't cool enough. But also...
No, it's not that. I made a fix and it didn't.
What?
I tried making a fix to the thing, but it didn't work.
For the player controller?
Yeah.
Wait, what does that have to do with the git ignore?
Nothing. I made a heavy sigh that I thought you commented on.
Oh, I didn't. I actually didn't pick up the heavy sigh.
Okay. Actually, yeah. If you type in like GitHub Unity git ignore.
That's a good idea.
I think even if you type in just Unity git ignore, oh, that's one of the first things.
Git ignore at main. Bye, Minox, by the way. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye bye.
Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. This git ignore file should be placed at the root of your... Oh, wait. Unity package. Oh, the packages get taken out too? I just copy this and replace our current one with it. Oh wait, we've
That's
got...
pretty much-
I do have files in there that technically aren't in this, though. Because I've got my clip files in there, so I'll have to grab that too.
Excuse me.
Gesundheit. Bum bum bum. Bum bum. Does also include user settings. Here, let me... Ah, that gets rid of the whole VS. This gets rid of temporary files. But they didn't add an ignore for the temporary files, it looks like. Interesting. Oh, no, there it is. Ah, capital T and lowercase t. User settings is also taken, so is logs, and so is library. Perfect, yeah. Wait, it added the library back though. Wait, the library wasn't in that? Are you kidding? No libraries in the get ignore. Why didn't it? Did I accidentally delete that? I need to update Visual Studio. Or get VS Code. Oh no. Yoki, I don't understand that. Wait, is temporary in here still? Oh. Yeah, this whole section didn't get captured at all. What the heck? What happened? What if I did that instead? That didn't change anything. Okay. Wait, maybe it did? No. No, it didn't. I don't think that's gonna help at all. Bow, bow. Sorry, that startled me.
Sorry.
Wait, what? Hey, 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 hey. Oh, wait. That's not at all what this shows. What the hell? Why is this so out of sync?
Sometimes it takes a bit for the game to update properly.
Temporary auto-generated Android assets. Oh wait, maybe I should add these to the bottom. Oh, maybe it's not actually grabbing it because it's in a subfolder. So it's looking for library, but library isn't what I need. I need the parent folder plus library.
I screwed the whole thing up.
Let me just go add this manually in front of everything and see if that fixes it. Excuse me.
No longer gets stuck.
Okay, let's try that instead. Hello, rabbit. Thank you. I bathed this month. How are you doing? Okay, let's try this. Let me also add the bullet for updating. Updated. Git ignore. To include standard exclusions for Unity. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-do. Committing. Pushing. Files boost. You shall have tiles. I don't think you can adjust tile sets like you can the like a normal Unity object. If I were to take this, can I rotate this? Oh, Jesus, yes I can. Hold on, how does that work? Ah! Okay, okay, we can still do rotations for things. It's just a lot more jarring.
Well, for ramps, you literally make a slanted thing, and it'll apply the collider correctly.
Oh, you just make a slanted tile?
Yeah.
No,
you literally just make a tile, a full tile, but it's like at a 45-degree angle cut.
Yeah, slanted tile.
Yeah.
Huh. Hey, that's just enough for me to get back over now that it's completely crooked. I feel like this is how stairs work though, right? Alright. Put that thing right back where it came from.
Wow.
Oi. Gotta come up with some new tasks for tomorrow, too. I feel like a little bit of time every day when we're all three online would be a good idea for us to do some design preparation stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that way we don't fall behind on making sure we're up to date on design documentation.
Yeah.
Oh, Minox is streaming in my server. I think it's different. Da-da-da-da-da. Buzzist. Oh, it won't actually show me what they're playing though. Darn. Curse you, technology. Where would I be without technology? Without the Wi-Fi, I couldn't say hi. Alright. I've created tile. I've fashioned rudimentary test platforms. I am donezo with this. Oh, you know what? You've actually already got the basic attack in. I don't need to have that on my task list either. Well, dang. I thought that was going to take longer than it did. Good. Bam, 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 bam. Implement test abilities. I can start working on a rudimentary enemy AI, I guess. I don't know how to do that, but I can certainly try.
Make sure you implement the actor class.
Yeah. Boom, bip, boom, bip. Enemy AI is one thing I've been meaning to try. I need to wait until you pushed before I do that. I'm going to make a folder for enemy stuff. But it might be a good idea to slot player stuff into its own folder too.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, I'm just I'm just trying to figure out a problem.
No, no worries. I didn't mean immediately. I just meant in general. At some point. Boom, bum, 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 bum. Enemy. Enemy spotted. Anime spotted. I probably will need those, but I'll re-implement them if I need it. Boom, babe, boom, babe. Let's see, it was... Wait, it was... How do you separate these? This is a comma? I. Action. Maybe just not implement interface. member can perform action, perform action. I assume this is a public, actually. Public. Void. I can perform. Needs to be an override, huh? Oh, no, it doesn't. This is an interface.
It should be an abstract factor.
Abstract. Actor. What's it called? Can perform action. Oh wait, it's a bool. Oh, it doesn't like this. Not declare a body because it's marked as abstract. I'm ridiculous. Let me open eye action, Jesus.
It's not an eye action, it's just action. Oh, eye action.
What?
You don't use eye action.
Oh.
Actor. Make sure
Oh,
you
eye actor.
Not eye actor, just actor.
Oh,
It
okay.
replaces mono behavior.
I see. I misinterpreted.
That contains all the take damage and die stuff.
Can die. Is it can die that I'm
It's
missing?
just
Oh no, it is just called die. Yeah. Public void. And this requires the override. This game's got enemies, it sure does. He. Or it will, I guess. Let's copy the player. And I'll make them wide. Can I control two players at the same time?
probably.
That'd be pretty fun. I want to find out. Yeah, look how big he is.
Oh yeah, his X is reversed, so he's just completely.
Yeah, oh yeah. I just wanted him facing the other way, but I knew it was gonna cause problems.
Right.
Alright, get rid of the tile palette. Remove this. Oh shoot, this is inheriting. I made a copy of it, so it's inheriting from the same prefab.
If you go to player, get rid of your current prefab.
What?
Yeah, get rid of that one.
Oh, get rid of the instance.
Yeah. So if you go to prefabs in your file explorer,
Yeah, I'm on it. I'm already there.
right click it, you right click the player, the prototype hero, and create a prefab variant.
Oh, yeah, okay. I've seen it ask me about this before. Where is that option?
Right above audio.
Right above audio, I see it.
Second thing down.
Enemy. Anime.
And then you can edit that one as you see fit in the actual player. It'll have the same thing.
Hell nice. Excuse me. I need to remove this. Actually, here, let me. I don't know if it needs all the sensors. Are these circles? They are circle colliders, okay. Shake, shake it, mama. Shake it for me. Just getting busy with that ass, 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 ass. Oh shit, really? Wait, no, that's not gonna work out.
But oh yeah, that's what it normally does. No, that's correct, Josh. Don't do anything with it.
Oh, just have it be.
Yeah, that's what it's going to do because it's looking at the difference between that and the main.
I see. I thought it was gonna treat it as a separate entity altogether. Because I don't want these to be like too married.
I mean, they're not
Because-
married at like all. It's like a clone, but better storage wise.
I guess this is just a test object anyway. Eventually, it's probably gonna have to be its own prefab.
Well, we'll probably have a prefab of all the enemies.
Yes.
Probably also using that variants.
Let's see here. Where? Let's say, yeah, creates enemy controller. Oh, we are getting close to Close to the end
Ah.
of times for today. One day my rib cage will be the proper orientation in my body. You know what I should probably do? Just take my tablet out of the way so I can have my keyboard in front of me. You know what? I just realized Monday D&D is going to probably cancel my Metroid priming after work anyway, because we usually start at like 7:30 and then we just go all night. So I won't be able to Metroid Prime tonight, even if I wanted to, unless I did it for like an hour. But that's no fun.
Okay. I see what.
Ooh. You store your flags outside of that? Oh, that's an enum. Yeah, okay.
So if another script needs to access it, you don't need to put player controller. You know what I mean?
Yes. Like me right now. Except maybe not all of these.
That should.
Did you find this operator?
What was that?
Or is that an actual operator that I don't know about?
What, the arrows? That's a bitwise. That's a bit shift.
Oh no, the
moving-
the pipe.
Oh, that's just a bitwise ore.
Oh, okay. I haven't seen a lot of bitwise operators. The double arrows I was also confused about, but
Yeah, that's a bitwise shift. So it's shifting the bit value of 1 over however many positions. So the first one's 1 position.
I assume this is for it to work in the drop down.
Yeah, that's to work for because each flag is its own set like binary value. It's its own binary value. So
Okay.
So grounded is 1, moving is 2, dead is 4, because they each have their own bits. So it's just a simpler way to label them out, so you know exactly how to try to remember.
Oh.
1, 2, 4, 8, 16.
Yeah, so it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. I understand now. I get it. Dun, dun, dun. If dodging or wall slide or ledge grab or direct climb or ledge climb, then flip direct check. Is that alternate?
That's basically if any of those are true,
Bye.
it won't flip direction.
Yeah, that's its physical direction flip, right? Which direction
It's actually
facing?
just a sprite direction flip. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I guess it's more like this, and then this, and then this, and then this.
because that basically those are like pluses. So the flip direction checks equals whatever dodging equals plus whatever ball sliding equals plus whatever ledge sliding.
Okay, so this is bitwise addition then.
Kind of, yeah. I mean, ors are basically bitwise addition.
I guess so.
Oh. Thought I fixed that.
Dodging. Input raw is greater than 0. Input raw is greater than 0, so I assume that determines whether anything's being pressed, basically.
Yeah.
Might be wise for me to just read the character controller for a bit. If that's all I'm doing for the rest of the night, I don't know if that's stream worthy. I might go ahead and end the stream here so that I can just read over the player functionality.
Yeah. Alright. I'm about to update the player controller with all the
Okay.
little fixes I made.
Alrighty. It will be nice to have them. Oh no, the ads are starting. I can't stop that.
Well,
I'll wait like a minute and then I'll end the stream. I'll force everyone to go through ads and then I'll end the stream. I gotta say goodbye. Bop 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 bop. I probably won't do any raids tonight. We'll just be us. Oh, the ads are still starting soon. Maybe I can. Oh. My warning hasn't been on this whole time. Son of a bench. You know what? My bot actually hasn't done any of its automatic calls either. Huh. Anyway. Bum. Oh yeah, don't forget to pull my tile changes down before. Okay.
I did.
Have you already pushed?
Yeah, I just pushed now.
Oh, okay. Well then I'll heckin' pull. Bop, 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 bop.
So it should include the wall jump and the ability to slide under.
Wait, my fetch isn't pulling anything.
Everything's up.
Push through. Are you in a different branch?
No, I pushed the main.
Do I just have that already? Oh no, it pulled it down. Sorry. Okay, yeah, it did pull it down.
Okay.
I'm just being silly. For some reason, I thought that it had to throw exception or like conflicts in order for me to verify that it was pulled down. Usually, I think it shows me fetch. It shows me what it's fetched, and then I press it again to pull it. But I didn't see that. Weird.
Have ball jump slide.
Let's give it a little test here before I end. Oh no, he's perpetually falling. Look at him go. I'm leaving this world. Use him as a springboard. Oh, is that like a sliding dust particle that it's arrowing out on?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Well,
fine.
it's that and then the audio manager.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry about the errors. They'll be.
Oh, I'm not super worried about them. I just happened to see them. I like it. I especially like the slide.
Yeah, you don't get stuck on the ledges anymore, like the corners.
Like bump against this one, but I also want to redo the tile set size anyway. Actually, you know
Yeah.
what? Maybe I can do that before I end. If we're gonna keep the player this size, I can adjust the tile set size to be more appropriate to the player.
Yeah. I mean, you can just take down the scale, really.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh wait, I don't need this. What am I doing? Still wearing my glove. I feel naked without it.
All right, Unity, you can go.
Go soak your head.
Well, it was saying like, oh, math F isn't defined. Vector 2 isn't defined. Like, Unity, you're drunk. Go home. Visual Studio, you're drunk. Go home.
Math F. Never met her.
Or as I like to call it, math.
Math. Quick maths. Two plus two is 4 minus 1 is 3. Quick maths.
That looks about right.
So I definitely want a little bit of head space on 2 blocks. Or if you have a third block up here, I want a little bit of head space. So there's some room for the player to do something if they want to. Let me go a little bit smaller. Oh, whoops. I've just messed all of this up. I guess this also comes into a question of, do we want our full game window size to be 1800 by, or 1080 by 1920?
I mean, we'll probably just have it set on a, we'll probably have it be variable.
That's a good point.
I want to imagine every room's going to be the exact same size.
I'm just thinking about how I'm gonna get these to scale properly with the resolution.
They won't. Not UI. They don't need to.
I mean, I guess. Let's give this a shot. Okay, sliding still works quite well, actually. That's tight. I like that. Oh, yes. 2 blocks is enough to jump on, too. Perfect. That's what I was looking for right there. Boink. Whoa. There's one more thing I wanted to test. Oh, it was just this to see how much headroom there was. How's it? A little bit of headroom at 2 blocks. Once you get to 3 blocks, I think you're at a... All right. I'm fine with those changes. Where are my tiles?
You have to check select the tile map.
Oh, but they were up there when I had the grid selected earlier. Could have sworn. Yeah. I think the window just breaks sometimes.
Yeah. Surprised me.
I should probably put a ceiling on this if we can wall climb, huh?
Probably, yeah.
Herba derp. Still sounds like a Home Depot theme to me.
Scheiße.
Haha, you're in a box. Get boxed on, boy.
I'll work on some player sprites tomorrow.
Oh, I don't have anything to extend these with, I just realized. Oh well.
Put the square in the middle.
Oh, you mean the square. Yeah, that could work. This looks like a rotating platform now, though. That's my immediate thought.
Well, we wouldn't be using tiles for, like, moving stuff anyway.
Yeah. Bonk. Wonderful. This is coming along nicely.
I'll probably make it different base sprites before I go whole hog on the sprite sheet.
Oh, that's probably a good idea.
Instead of wasting all the time to make a full sprite sheet and then
Oh, wait, what?
fold. Nah, he doesn't look that great.
Hold on, I just realized, I don't know if I caused this, but he's like always facing right when I stop now.
Oh, I must not have saved that.
Oh,
I must not have pushed that save. I did fix that.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot to put a negative sign. That's all. Just double check to make sure. Nope. Okay, it's happening with me.
Let me save my side so I can
I'll-
push the updated scene, and then I'll call it a day.
I'll fix that.
Oh, I probably should rename the sample scene at some point too. Updated tile. What's it called? A tile map.
Tile size.
Oh, it's a tile map grid size is what I updated.
Alright. I fixed it. I mean, there's other things we can do to add on to it. I might actually move the wall jump to an action group, to an action class, so it can be enabled and disabled as needed. You get what I'm saying?
I think so.
And it's currently just in the class, but if I take it out and add it to an action class, it'll you can add it and remove it as needed.
Yeah, then it can be more like a component.
Yeah. Yeah. So when you don't have the thing, it'll be removed. But when you have the thing, it'll be added.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be it. But we'll work on that over the next few days.
Alright. I feel like
I'm
my
gonna-
entire week is probably going to be this enemy AI script.
If you need any help with it, just let me know.
I will
I've
probably
heard of
need
you
some
and
assistance here and there for sure. I will most likely need some assistance, yes.
I'll be here.
I don't know how
Go find some
computers work.
I'm gonna go wrangle up some food,
Yeah, I'm about to go find some food myself.
and then I'm gonna continue packing.
Alright, I've pushed the updated scene, so you should have the new tile set stuff. I wish you luck with your packing and your fooding. I might just go throw noodles into a pot and eat them.
I'll see you later. That's all I can do.
Thank you. And you too. Righto. I think I'm going to call it for the day. It is time. I have been working for longer than I have been streaming. And I have to get ready for D&D tonight as well. Although I do have like an hour before that. That'd be enough time for me to get some food and eat it. Thanks everybody for stopping by today. I'll be doing this a lot coming out for the next few weeks. Because this is a month-long jam. We will be ending on September 15th. So I will, hopefully, I will be able to learn a lot and get a ton done. And we'll have a pretty okay looking Metroidvania at the end of all of this. It'll definitely be better than the week-long game jams that we've done. Well, game jam. I think I've only streamed one of those, but I've done 2 technically. There will be more, don't you worry. Boop, boop, boop. I've realized that I learn a lot from game jams. I need to start making some reusable scripts that I can use too. I've started with the character controller, the physics character controller for the Red Pill game that I've been making, but I've been putting off just going through making a bunch of controllers, I guess. I need to have a 2D character controller that I can use too, like Vinny does. And an enemy class probably as well. Something that's easily malleable, has a bunch of properties that I can just tweak whenever I need to, and I can just drag and drop it in. That would be nice. Slot that into the to-do list somewhere after this, probably. Anyway, I'm gonna go get food. Take care, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow, probably a lot earlier tomorrow, but we'll see. Bye-bye.